Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Keycloak. First, you'll need to download the Keycloak distribution, which is the initial step to getting started with this powerful identity and access management solution. We'll cover the essential components and configurations to ensure a smooth setup process. This guide aims to simplify the installation and initial administrative tasks, making it easy for you to secure your applications effectively. To begin, download the Keycloak server distribution from its official website. Once downloaded, extract the archive to a location of your choice. Make sure you have Java Development Kit version 11 or higher installed on your system, as Keycloak relies on it. Then, navigate to the bin directory within your extracted Keycloak folder and execute the appropriate startup script for your operating system to launch the server. After starting Keycloak, open your web browser and navigate to the admin console, typically found at localhost on port 8080. You will be prompted to create an initial administrator account. It's crucial to set a strong, secure password for this account, as it will have full permissions to manage all aspects of your Keycloak instance, including realms, clients, and user configurations. Now that your admin account is set up, you can create your first realm. A realm in Keycloak acts as an isolated space for managing users, applications, and roles. In the admin console, locate the realm dropdown, usually labeled Master, and select Add Realm. Provide a unique and descriptive name for your new realm, then proceed to configure its specific settings, such as token expiration and email server details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.